Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to send invitation to the users and how to give or set right for the users. So this is my main company, Xero store. Okay, company name is Xero store. Now come into the user option from settings menu, and here we can send invitation to the user. So you will get this kind of display. Here you have to click on invite a user option. Once you click here, you will get this kind of display where you need to enter first name, last name and email ID of the user. And here there are three kind of permission regarding projects, payroll admin and business and accounting. In today, we are going to talk about business and accounting option. So there are four kind of access: invoice only, standard, advisor and read only. So once you select invoice only, so you are giving right to the user that what he can create a purchase and sales invoice. Okay, and except this, he'll not get any kind of option, as you can see here. Fine. All other options are disabled. So this one is basic right to create sales and purchase invoices only. Now let's talk about second access option, that is standard plan. So once you click on standard plan, you will get this kind of display. Here you can read easily what kind of rights you are going to give to the user. And here there is also option to manage users. Fine. Now let's talk about advisor. Now here you are going to give all the rights to the user, and this one is read only. So in read only option, user can only read and he can view bills and invoices. Fine. So let's send one invitation. This is my another email ID. Now, as you can see in inbox, there is no such kind of email here. And once I send invitation, we'll get one fresh email here from the Xero. Okay. So my email ID is ymadhav084@gmail.com. So let's enter this credential here. So I'm going to give read only access. Now I'm just entering my name, last name and email ID. ymadhav084@gmail.com. So after entering all the details, you have to click send invite option. Okay. As you can see here in bottom, there is option of send invite. So once you click here, one email come into this new email ID, like user's email ID. Fine. And you can also change permission and delete permission from here. Now you can see we have received email ID from the Xero, and here I have to accept invitation. Fine. So let's accept invite. And this invitation will be expired in 14 days. Fine. Let's accept invite. So I have already created a Xero account with this email ID. I'm just simply logging into this email ID from this email ID. Now once I log in here, I'll directly come into that company. As you can see, Xero store. Fine. Okay. So let's go into bills to pay option. See, currently in main company, there is no such kind of bills and invoices. So that is why here there is option of new bill creation. Still, I am not able to create new bill because admin has given right to read only facility. Fine. So let's check one time which kind of right we have given to the user. Okay. This one is my main login. I have to check here Madhav Yadav and change permission. So you can see which kind of right you have given. Here there is option of read only. Fine. So one can read details and one can read bills. So if user try to create new bill here, he will never get option to create new bill. There is only option, and whenever he click on that button, there is no option to create new bill. Okay, that display never come here. It will just process it, because as of now there is no bills and invoice is here. That's why he is getting option of new bill. So let's create a dummy invoice here. Okay, I'm just creating a new bill from my main account. So test plus 30. I'm just entering detail.
Yeah.
And approve. Now let's come into the user's account. So here, if you click on bills to pay, now you can see that there is no option of new. Fine, it has been removed, and I cannot edit this bill. I cannot delete this bill. I can only view these bills. Same way, you will get this option in invoice or invoice also. Currently there is no invoice, so there is no such kind of list of invoices here. And whenever you come into the contact, so you will get option of viewing facility. You can see contact, you can view contact, you can access contact, but you cannot edit, modify or delete contact. Fine, there is no such kind of option here. Now let's change permission of the user and let's see how it works. So again, I am come into the settings. There is option of user. So Madhav is my user, and change permission. So this time I am going to change permission from read only to advisor role and update permission. So I'm going to give full rights to him. Fine. Now I have to just refresh here. Now you can see that after changing permission, user is able to get all the options like create, edit. Fine, as you can see here, option of new bill and all. You can also delete this user from here. Fine. And this is my main ID. You are not supposed to change anything here. Fine. You can change anything in user's email ID. So in this way, we can send invitation to the user. We can set permissions to the user and we can remove users. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.